Hello guys, welcome to the Quarantine Home Cook. Hello guys, this is Carlo, your Quarantine Home Cook. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a very exciting vlog because today we're going to make Magnolia Bakery's classic banana pudding. Yep. So back in 2018, New York's Magnolia Bakery opened its first branch in Southeast Asia. That's here in the Philippines, and it became known for its signature classic banana pudding. Now, early this year, Magnolia Bakery, New York Magnolia Bakery, released their recipe for the classic banana pudding. And that's what we're going to try to make today. It's surprisingly very easy, but it's time consuming. So let's go ahead and start. So I want to talk to you about the banana pudding. What is a banana pudding? It's basically a layer of vanilla wafer, pudding mixture, and banana. So we're just going to layer it. That's it. That's banana pudding. I already made my banana pudding yesterday because it has to be refrigerated overnight. But I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process. So here it is. Let's start making our banana pudding. M-Bakery banana pudding. So we need 3 ingredients for now. We need 1 can condensed milk. We need ice cold water. And we also need a pudding mix. Okay, so normally yung ginagamit dito is Jell-O na hindi sugar-free. This one is sugar-free because I can't find anything that is not sugar-free. Also, this is 1.5 ounces. The recipe says that it should be the 3.4 ounces na box, but I can't find that here in the Philippines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 1.5 ounces or 1.5 ounce and 2 1 ounce na pack. So that makes it 3.5 ounces. It's Jell-O brand. The recipe says preferably Jell-O brand yung gamitin. So here. First, we need ice cold water. Nilagay ko na to sa fridge. We need 1.5 cup. So 1.5. Okay, so to that we're going to add 1 can of condensed milk. Beat natin siya sa medium speed. So kailangan nyo ng mixer. Beat natin siya sa medium speed for about a minute. So let me set this to 1 minute. Alright, so once done, ilalagay na natin yung ating pudding mix. Okay, so I'm going to beat this ng mabagal muna. Haluin ko lang siya kasi para yung lumps mahalo din natin. Right, and then ilalagay natin siya sa isang container. Alright, so ito transfer natin siya dito. Now, ilalagay natin siya sa fridge overnight. So, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa fridge from 1 hour to overnight. Sabi din sa recipe. And then, babalikan natin siya para i-continue yung ating banana pudding. Alright, so lalagyan natin siya ng cover and then iiwan natin siya sa fridge. Ilalagay natin siya sa fridge for about 1 hour to overnight. In my case, lalagay ko siya overnight. Alright, let's put this inside the fridge. Alright, so day 2. dahil nilagay natin sa fridge yung ating pudding overnight. Now we are ready to make our banana pudding. What do we need? Today we need whipping cream. So the recipe says it needs 3 cups ng whipping cream. I'm using a 500 ml and a 250 ml na whipping cream or na cream. This is equivalent to 750 ml. It's a little bit over 3 cups, like 3.1 something. Pwede na siguro yan. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. Then we're going to whisk it. We're going to whisk it for about 1 minute in medium speed until thicken. And then we will increase the speed to medium-high. And then whisk it hanggang maging stiff peaks or firm yung ating whipping cream. So this is all-purpose cream. The other one is whipping cream. Alright, so i-whisk natin to sa medium. And then isi-switch ko na ngayon siya sa medium-high. Alright, so pwede na siguro to. So ito na ating pudding na nilagay natin overnight sa fridge. Ito na itsura niya. Okay, so ilalagay natin siya dito sa ating mixture. Okay, baka umapaw siya. Okay, so imimix ko siya sa low speed. Dadhan-dahanin ko lang, baka umapaw siya. Okay, medyo maliit yung ating lalagyan. So let's add some more. I'm really hoping na hindi siya umapaw dahil wala na akong ibang lalagyan. Okay, medyo stiff siya. Okay, so ilalagay ko na yung last batch. Alright, so that's it. Let's once again stir this. Haluin ko lang siya saglit para make sure na even. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so we are now ready to assemble our banana pudding. This is probably an 8 by 11 na bakeware. I have bananas, 1, 2, 3, like 5 pieces. I also have vanilla wafers. So, nabili ko to sa healthy options. Normally, ang ginagamit dito yung Nilla wafers, but we don't have Nilla wafers here. I cannot find a Nilla wafer in the Philippines. So, this is J&M. I also have a spatula for this to spread it evenly. Alright, so hindi ko muna hiwain yung banana because magta-turn siya sa brown. I will slice it as I layer the banana pudding. So the first thing that we need is our pudding mix. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm just gonna spread it sa ating bakeware. Next is our wafers. You're just gonna line it up like that. Okay. Para lang siyang pasensya, guys. Pasensya biscuits. Next is the banana. Okay, looks like we'll be needing more bananas here. Okay, next. Okay, next another layer. Okay, last layer. Add crushed vanilla wafers on top. The recipe says it's best served within 46 hours and it's best served within 12 hours after assembling. So let's wait for 6 hours and then let's serve this. For now, I'm gonna cover this with a wrapper and put it inside the fridge. See you in 6 hours. So this is our banana pudding. Alright, so we are going to scoop it. Alright, so the best part of our vlog is tasting. Alright, so let's go ahead and try our classic banana pudding. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you are going to follow me on Instagram, it's at The Quarantine Home Cook, and on Facebook, it's facebook.com/The Quarantine Home Cook. It tastes exactly like Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. It's worth the calories, guys. That's it. Now, alright guys, so if you're going to do this at home, medyo mahirap maghanap ng... It's a challenge to find a vanilla wafer here in the Philippines. I bought this at Healthy Options. And bakery recommends Nilla Wafers. But we don't have that in the Philippines. I don't know if you can find that in the Philippines. This is a good substitute. It also tastes like exactly like M Bakery. Ngayon, if you can't find the vanilla wafer, maybe you can substitute it with ladyfinger, broas, or maybe pasensya if you want pasensya egg drop cookies if you are looking for a more economical option. I haven't tried this, but I think it will work just fine. If you will try this, please let me know in the comments down below. Another ingredient that is hard to find is Jell-O pudding mix. So this one is sugar-free. The one in the US is not sugar-free. I think you can find it online, maybe in Lazada or Facebook Marketplace. I bought this at Rustan's Marketplace. Hindi ko alam if you can find this at SM. I don't know if it's available there. I haven't seen one. Yeah. So here it is. This is what it looks like. You need a bigger version. This is like 1.5 ounces only. So that's it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed making banana pudding with me today. Until next time, see you guys. Adios.